Standard units have been used to make sensible comparison. Most of the industrial boilers and electricity generation stations either works on oil or gas. So they will choose which one is cheaper for them. Let's say we have oil $60 per barrel and we have a gas $5 per million BTU. So which one is cheaper? Here we need to do some unit conversion. Look at the conversion table in your book. So the oil, let's say this oil is giving us 6 gigajoule per barrel and the gas is giving, let's say, 1.055 kilojoule per BTU. So we need to do the conversion to a standard unit and it should be equal for both. So here we are interested in energy. So we will convert, let's say, dollar per gigajoule or per joule or kilojoule. So if we do this conversion, we are getting that oil is $10 per gigajoule while the gas is $5 per gigajoule. So the unit conversion makes it clear and we know now that gas is cheaper, so the guy will choose gas. The system international is the most commonly used system of unit in the world. The United States is one of the few exceptions of countries that have not formally adopted this system. Now joule is the unit of energy in this system. How we define joule? Joule is defined as the work done when a constant force of 1 Newton moves its point of application by 1 meter. Since the advent of Industrial Revolution, several other units have been defined and used in engineering applications. Units that are still in use and may be encountered in the 21st century are as follows. Calorie. Calorie is an older unit that is still used in thermal and food application and is equal to 4.18 joule. 1 calorie is the amount of energy or heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree centigrade. Another unit is ton of oil equivalent. This is a unit of energy and it is defined as the amount of energy released by burning 1 ton of crude oil. It is approximately 42 gigajoule or 11.63 megawatt hour. The British system of units was developed during the Industrial Revolution for the use with large heat engines. The British thermal unit, which is abbreviated as BTU, is the unit of energy in that system. 1 BTU is defined as the amount of energy needed to increase the temperature of 1 pound of water by 1 degree Fahrenheit, and 1 BTU is equal to 1055 joule, and it is approximately often approximated as 1 kilojoule. Another unit is quart. This unit is used for extremely large amount of energy. This unit is commonly used to measure the amount of energy consumed by regions or nations or by the entire population of the earth. 1 quart is equal to 10 raised to the power 15 BTU or approximately 10 raised to the power 18 joule. The total energy consumed by the United States in 2017 was approximately 100 quart, and that in the entire world was approximately 540 quart. Barrel is another unit which is commonly used in the oil market. This unit is the unit of volume, but in the oil market it is very common. 1 barrel is exactly 42 US gallons and is easily converted to any other unit of volume. As the US gallon since 1893 is defined as 3.7 liters, so a volume of 1 barrel is exactly 158.98 liters. Some other important terminologies related to energy we will discuss here. Primary energy, final energy, useful energy, and energy services. Primary energy is the energy available in the raw form, like crude oil from well or current coming from the solar cell. This is primary energy. Usually we don't use directly the primary energy. We do some engineering processes on primary energy and convert it into final energy, like gasoline and kerosene. The other term is useful energy. Useful energy is like torque on a drive shaft or power coming from the motor. Electricity into computer is also a useful energy. The last one is energy services. Energy services is whatever services we are getting from energy, like illumination from lights, heating, cooling, transportation. All these are energy services. We will explain all these with this example. Let's say we have oil well and we are extracting crude oil from the oil well. So this crude oil is primary energy. Now this primary energy is transported to refinery and we refine it and we convert it into gasoline, which is final energy. Now this final energy, we put it in our car, in IC engine, and the torque and the drive shaft of the IC engine, the shaft rotate. So that is useful energy. And with that, we are getting services like transportation, which is energy services. So that's it from this video. See you in the next video.